All right guys, so welcome to our first ThredUp unboxing of 2023, and today we have two fun boxes. We're gonna battle each other. This is the first time we've done a fun box battle on this channel, so let's roll that intro and get right into this unboxing. Hey guys, it's me, Kay, and you've arrived in my weird little corner of the internet. Welcome. If you're new here, I'm a part-time reseller, mostly on eBay and Poshmark. I do sell locally at an antique mall, and a Mercari and Depop, and I do all this so that her and I can travel as much as possible. But I also like to do ThredUp unboxing. So usually when we do the fun boxes, I have my daughter with me, and this time we are battling each other. I ordered 4 fun boxes at the same time. They're all from Pennsylvania, so I let her pick one and then I picked one, and we'll battle, and then we'll have another video where we battle the other two. So I picked the big box. I don't know why this one is so big. It could be a good thing or a bad thing. We'll find out when we opened. And she picked hers.
I just picked this one because it had a purple cigar.
Fair. And we haven't opened these, so let's see what we got. All right, so this is what mine looks like before we take off the paper. She's got her little invoice on top. I'll take that. Ooh, I got bubbles in mine. That's great. I need some of these. And this is what mine looks like inside. Ooh, I like yours already. All right, so who wants to go first? You want to go first or me?
You.
All right, so you'll have to let us know in the comments down below who you think won. They're usually 10-ish random items. Okay. This looks like hair. This is definitely hair. Okay, Evelyn hair. Brown, straight, long, full machine wig. Okay.
That is not straight.
I know, it's like wavy, but all right, this is the brand. This is the first time I've ever seen a wig in a fun box. You can kind of see inside. I'm not gonna take it out because I'll just mess it up.
A few moments later.
Guys, how do I look? But this is kind of what the wig looks like in here, like a brown kind of wavy wig. So that's interesting.
I got a Lululemon double strap face mask.
Yeah, those are the ones. No, not the ones that I like.
You like the ones over the ears.
Yeah, but they still sell. I picked up a couple from the bins at the end of 2022, and they both sold. All right, I got some jewelry. Oh, that's Dolores Umbridge. This is a Harry Potter charm bracelet thing. It's got a pink and white teapot, a bow, a pink crystal, a cat, a pink cat, and a picture of Dolores Umbridge from Harry Potter. The camera is pretty far away today, so sorry if the focus isn't great. Okay, there's no brand or anything, but that's fun.
I got a bag with a flamingo on it.
Oh, that's cute.
Oh, and it zips.
Oh, like a nice little beach tote. Does it have a brand or just a flamingo and a monstera leaf? Okay. All right, I'll take this thing on the top because I don't know what it is. It's something. Okay. It looks like that's the back side. This, it's got a string here and a string here and maybe like a little beach skirt or something.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say.
And I don't know if this is supposed to go with it. This one has strings also. This one looks a little bit bigger. There's no brand that I can see, so it looks like little like custom tie like skirts to go over like a bathing suit.
Speaking of bathing suits, I got figure this out. Oh, okay. Yeah. Let me tie the thing so it doesn't look weird.
You're gonna have to show them socks. You picked the good one. Oh, this box is really weird.
I got a bathing suit top, and this is actually pretty cute.
It is cute.
So I might steal that.
Yeah, it's exhilaration, I think I saw.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, let's talk about my socks. So mine are Grogu socks. They're from Disney Parks though, so that's cool. Disney Parks here on the top. And they say protect, attack, snack, and nap. Those are really cute. I would not wear them, but I'm sure they will sell. And the snack he has, I think that's like a frog in his mouth. Okay, I had to take a brief intermission because I was coughing and I put a cough drop in. So let's continue.
I also got socks. You can read those for yourself because that might get us demonetized.
Yeah, we don't want that. But those are cute socks. All right, I got a couple of headbands. Oh, this one's from Madewell. I don't know if this one also is, but this first one's from Madewell. It's like a black and white gingham print. The little Madewell tag is down here. That's cute. And then I'll just show you this one at the same time. This one is like a pearl headband. I don't really get the headband thing. They hurt my head after like 10 minutes, so I don't know.
I got another pair of socks, and they're ducks/geese in like sailor outfits.
Oh, those are cute. Okay. I got a belt. It's like a black braided belt. It's from Gap. So not bad. I don't really pick up belts ever, but I'm sure I can still squeeze some money out of it.
I already looked at this while she was coughing. It says Simple Human on it, and hold on, gotta fish it out. It's an LED mirror.
Oh, fun. That'd be cute for like putting on makeup and stuff.
And it has like a stamp on it.
Cool. All right. Next I have a Weed Pro replacement band, men large navy blue. I don't know if this is for like a Fitbit or an Apple Watch or something, but here's what it looks like. I'm not gonna take it out of the bag, but it's like a little silicone watch strap. No way. No way.
I got hair.
We both got hair? How did this happen?
Though, like,
at least it's covered with a net so it doesn't get everywhere. ThredUp. What is going on here? Why are you sending hair?
It has like a scalp and everything.
Oh, it's weird. I'd put it on, but I'm not doing that today.
I'm not doing that any day.
It doesn't have a brand or anything, just hair in a net?
No.
Okay.
Just hair.
These are definitely the weirdest fun boxes I've ever seen. That's so funny though that we just picked random boxes and we both got hair. All right, I got a bamboo sheet set.
Ooh.
Sheet set bamboo. I don't know. It looks kind of like an Amazon thing. Bedsure, get cozy. I have gotten sheets before in the ThredUp Fun Box, but they weren't in the package, so I just donated them. But these I will probably try to list. They're like a blue color.
Blue?
Yeah, they look blue-gray.
That looks like red to me.
What? That's
it was
definitely
just
not
the light.
red. Okay. They're blue-gray.
Okay. I got... Oh. Why'd you put the camera so far away?
Sorry.
A snake brooch.
The table is too cluttered to put it on.
It has some green gemstone eyes.
Mm.
Oh.
All right, I got a pair of like sleepy shorts from Jane and Delancey. They have the TJ Maxx tag on them still. They're like a cute white with blue star print, and they are a size medium. They were at TJ Maxx for $12.99, compare at $18.
I also got a Madewell headband, which looks pretty similar to the one she got, but yellow. And it's 100% cotton.
Oh, it's like mustardy yellow, not the good color yellow.
Thought you liked mustard.
I like mustard, the food, but I don't like mustard yellow. All right, I got a little lug, like wristlet-y thing, but it looks like it's for like traveling, and you can put your jewelry in there. It has like a little pouch. It has some straps you can put your rings on and things, and then it has more compartments on this side. So this is cute. I have sold lug before, I think just once, but I don't know, maybe 15 for this.
I got like a strap bag.
Like a sling bag.
Yeah, that.
Anyone?
Hello.
Might just be unbranded.
Don't see a brand on it.
Cute. Man, I still got more stuff in here. All right, I got a bag that says we'll work out for cupcakes. No brand inside, but I think I've seen this before. Like it came in one of those subscription boxes or something along those lines. So I don't know. Maybe list, maybe not.
I also got a watch strap.
What?
But green.
Is it men's or women's this time?
It just says We Pro brand. Marine green.
Oh.
Well, technically it says ... Arene green, but.
Marine green, okay. All right, I got two more things in mind. I got a Victoria's Secret bag. I've sold a few of these in the past. I used to pick them up at the bins when I'd find them. This one says VSX, which is the Victoria's Secret sport line. The back does have like a couple small spots like on the white stripes, but other than that, it looks good. It does zip, and it's pretty big inside, so definitely will list that one.
She's gonna be so mad. I got more Lululemon. This time it's hair ties.
Oh.
There's a pink, a darker pink, well, a slightly darker pink, and an orange.
Cool. All right, and I don't know what this is from, but it's just a ring. I'm gonna try to come closer to show it to you. Hopefully you guys can see. It's kind of hard with the reflection, but it's like a little bookshelf. It has like a wizard's hat and a cat on it, and some books and potions looking things. Wow, you got so much more stuff still.
I have 4 things still after this one. I also got a ring. It has some random little child on it.
Let me see. Oh, it's like a cameo, kind of. Keep going, I don't got anything else.
Oh. I got a WJCD like bag.
Oh, it's like clear plastic, almost
like
kind of
plastic,
like,
and it has like old trim on it.
Cool.
I got an If It Were Me headband. It's like pink, it has a knot in the front.
Cute.
Unbranded keychain.
A little tassel number. And for the last
Pajamas.
Yeah.
Unbranded pajama set. It's like white and
That's kind of cute though. Oh, there's a brand on that one.
Jacqueline Intimates.
Okay. That's cute. All right, so count yours and then I'll count mine.
1, 2.
Okay, I got 15 items total.
I got 16.
Okay, so she got more items. What's your favorite item from yours?
Can I pick 2 items?
Yeah.
I like the socks.
Okay, I was also gonna pick my socks. So yeah, let us know in the comments who you think won. I think it's pretty clear that she won. She got 2 Lululemon things. You got cute socks. I don't know. Yours is just better. But I still can't believe that we both got hair.
Oh wait, I got 17.
Oh,
I forgot the hair.
she also got more items. 2 more items than me. Yeah, so picking the bigger box definitely didn't pan out, but I still think it's funny how we both got headbands and obviously always socks and pajamas in these fun boxes, and then the hair. So that was really weird, but thank you guys so much for watching as always. I really appreciate each and every one of you that come out and watch my videos. Thank you to Liv for agreeing to film this with me, and one more video that we'll film in the next couple days. So I hope you enjoyed our first ThredUp unboxing of the year. I'm sure there will be plenty more, both with her and just myself. I also have a jewelry box to unbox that I ordered at the same time. So that's it for this video. If you enjoyed it at any point, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps us out here on YouTube to know what type of content you enjoy seeing from us. And if you're not already subscribed,
do it, please.
Yes, please consider subscribing. We'd love to have you here in our weird little family on the internet, and I hope to see you next time. Bye guys.